Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a chicken in Dress to Impress. So I'm going to color the skin tone red for like the mouth. You can also put this like contour. If you don't have custom VIP, that's okay. You don't need it. We'll just use this one and I'm going to color it black just for some like shadows. And then I am going to grab like this over here and I'm going to color it this orange beak color. And then I'm also going to select this one. Whoops. Well, let's just remove that one first actually. This one, and I'm going to again color it the beak color. I'll select the third toggle for that one. Okay. And then I'm going to go to the hair section here. And then we will need these hairs. Okay, so first of all, we're going to use this one. We're going to color it white. And then we're also going to use this hair. Again, coloring it white as well. I know the other hairs look a little bit grayish, but like that's fine. And we'll need this from the first set as well as this one. And then we're going to use this one, but for the eyes, so we're going to color it black like this. Not gonna lie, it looks a little bit creepy right now. But we move on. Then we're going to get these from the codes. So, well, like the I don't know what this place is called. The dressing rooms. That's what I meant to say. Let's turn off the layer off for that one. And then we're going to also use this one. No layer to that as well. And then what else do we need? Oh, we also need the scarf to cover like the neck part. This is a little bit similar to the parrot costume. You also need the cupcake outfit for this. So let's go here. We're going to color it all white. And I am going to put on some shoes. Just use this one. Actually, you can also like use like boots, but you can't really see it because there's like the fur boot thing. And I'm just going to leave this white, like the gloves. I added that too. And then we are going to unfortunately need VIP for this because we need the wings. You can make it a little bit bigger too if you'd like to, but I'm just going to do default. And then I'm also going to take the crown here. And then we're going to use the second toggle. And we're going to color it red like for the... I don't know what that's called, not gonna lie. But we're just going to do that. Just making it a little bit darker so it's not super bright. And then lastly, we are going to need the flowers just from our textures. It's right here on the... Wait, they changed the placement again. Okay, let me just find it real quick. Okay, it's here. And I'm just going to color it all white. Is there like a matte? Okay, now. And then you're going to need the villain pose from K-pop. So, let's see. I think I started. And here is your chicken all completed. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!